Hey, Frank here, Springer's Adventures. Figured I haven't did an update on the Uncle 67 Chevelle here in a while. It's getting closer and closer to completion, so I figured we'll head over there and check it out and show you the progress on how the old 67 is coming along. Let's go. So we pushed the car out of the garage here so we can get a couple pictures of it and see how it looks, and I'll let him talk about it a little bit. About 85% done, you think?
It's about that, close to 90.
Open up the hood. Let's see how's that motor look? Oh man, that came out really nice, didn't it?
Just like better than factory.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
That little 283 looks so sweet down in there.
Oh, you ain't kidding. It's gonna run nice too. Yeah. Get some probably 18 miles a gallon with it.
Oh yeah.
It's got 308 rear end.
Oh, that's some good. That's good.
It's good.
That's real good driving gears.
Nice cruising gears. I changed rear ends. That was 308, and this one was 331.
I can't remember. Was this originally a Power Glide car?
Well, Power Glide.
Is that what you put back in there?
Yeah, it's original factory training. Yep, number matching.
Oh yeah, I remember that when you got it. Looking good.
Yeah.
What do you figure? Another month and a half?
Well, Barb just came over. Okay, you want to get the back?
Well, the trunk came out really nice.
Yeah. Like I said, better than factory. And I got a club lock for her so nobody steals it. Yeah. Yeah.
Ain't nobody gonna know how to steal it. They're gonna be looking for a push button to push to start the thing. People forget that they had to use keys.
Yeah. And now you can see what the interior looks like. On the dash.
Yeah. Looks good.
I'll get one on the door. That way the door is finished.
Yeah, looks good. Looks real good.
This door shuts not bad. It's that one over there. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with it.
Looking good, Uncle Rudy. So what do you figure? Another couple months or what?
Yeah.
Here's the other door. You can tell. He marks everything. Which if you're taking things apart and putting it back together, that's always a good thing to do. Plenty of grease and lubricant on the window slides. New little socks, keep everything from rattling around. A little closer up with the dash. Go back to my old videos, I can't say enough what a big difference this thing looks, huh? Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and as you can tell, we're getting down to the home run stretch on this thing being completed. It's come a long way since he got that, and if this is the first time you've watched any of these videos on this 67 Chevelle, by all means go to my playlist, check it out, and you can see how this thing looked like 2 years ago when he rolled it off the trailer. I gave him a hand. So hey, thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I hope you like it. If you have any questions at all, give me a shout. Thanks so much, and hey, we'll just catch you out there next time. See ya.